Are you spending too much time on bookings, tired of the endless back and forth? And those frustrating no-shows? This video reveals the top 5 reasons businesses are choosing Amelia. See how it simplifies, saves time, and truly streamlines your operations. The most common reason businesses move to Amelia is for its automation. A manual booking process takes up valuable time, leading to missed opportunities and administrative overload. Amelia automates scheduling from start to finish. When a client books an appointment, the plugin sends an immediate confirmation. As the appointment day approaches, it sends automatic reminders. This system reduces no-shows and eliminates the need for you to send individual emails or text messages. Amelia also syncs with external calendars like Google Calendar and Outlook, so when a booking comes in, your personal calendar updates automatically. This prevents double bookings and helps you manage your time more accurately. Your booking page is often the first interaction a new client has with your business. An outdated or confusing booking form can create a bad impression. Amelia provides a modern, clean, and intuitive booking interface. It guides clients through the process in just a few simple steps. The design is fully responsive, so it looks professional on any device, from a desktop computer to a smartphone. You can also customize the colors and fonts to match your business's branding, so the booking experience feels like a natural part of your website. Many scheduling plugins require you to purchase separate add-ons for essential features. Amelia includes key functionality in its core version, so you don't have to worry about extra costs for features you'll likely need. For example, the plugin handles group bookings and events, allowing you to manage workshops or classes with multiple attendees. It also integrates directly with payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, allowing you to accept payments or deposits at the time of booking. This is all included, without the need for additional purchases. A good scheduling plugin should do more than just manage appointments. It should help your business grow. Amelia offers features that support business expansion. It allows you to manage multiple employees and locations from a single dashboard. This is useful for businesses with a growing team or multiple offices. The plugin also integrates with WooCommerce, so if you already use that platform for e-commerce, you can connect your services and manage bookings alongside your product sales. Have you ever bought a plugin only to have your support ticket disappear into a black hole? It's a frustrating experience. With Amelia, you don't have to worry. Our team is known for its fast, helpful support. We provide clear answers and help you solve problems so you can get back to what you do best. We've also got a detailed documentation library with a full set of tutorials and guides. So if you're a night owl or just prefer to DIY, you've got everything you need. Amelia provides a complete solution for businesses that want to streamline their operations. It helps you automate tasks, save time, and provide a professional experience for your clients. If you're looking for a reliable way to handle your bookings, Amelia offers a solid option.